Oh my god. He pulled a Nuno reverse on grab it. What? No, hold on. The seat was enough, but the computer too.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Is that Dobby? Oh my god, off the top rope.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Grab the girl hand. Oh Lord.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, you just throw the nastiest right cross.
Used car, always pay attention to the gaps in the door. This is how you could tell if it's been in an accident or not.
Where's the rest of the car?
In an accident or not.
Looks like it got eaten. What's the dog doing?
It
What
is
is
like
this?
about to fall.
Oh god. Hey, yeah, it fell, bud.
Wanna try it?
Me at any minor convenience. What is this blog?
Really good.
Oh! Holy! That was athletic as shit. What the fuck was that? Oh my god.
Hey Shannon.
What?
Why does that kind of look like balls?
Bro. I'm dead.
She literally was. Are you're I'm gonna hope that's a host. Whoa! Whoa! He's a firebender. What did he say? He gave fire.
What kind of angle is this?
He matched his bowl. What did you get for matching your bowling ball?
Oh my!
Jesus.
Pork sandwich and taffy at 11:30.
Bro, it's barbecue. You got fucking milk?
Oh god.
Bro, it's barbecue. You got fucking milk?
Now, I'm no car guy, so maybe I just don't appreciate it like many others would. What? What? Why did it look like Jello? Look at that. That is gelatinous. I don't know what you do to water to do that. See? Oh, gotta take it out on someone, you know? Fucking that up. That was impressive. Oh my god, it's glorious. Look at that fucking chonk. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Uncle.
You can't then tell the truth? Can't. Oh, what? What kind of Disney cartoon?
Mr. Goldfinger, yeah, come in. We've got space for you to have a haircut. Come on, sit down here. Fucking joking, dickhead. I'm not really a barber. I'm fucking James Bond. Short back and blow your fucking head off. Twat.
Oh, hi, sir. What's the dog doing? What? He's so concerned as to why you're there. Why do you bother this man? No, they're busting out the sander on a fucking pizza? Just accept the fact you can't. Oh, this is making my nose like. This is making me want to sneeze. Oh, God. Oh, no. Who taught him that? Nope. He learned that from somewhere. Oh, yeah, because every video of a older person on a hoverboard goes swimmingly. What did he think the little ass tree was gonna do? Sir, you are not a small person. What did you think that was gonna do? Those fish? All right. Oh, they're gonna eat that thing. Oh no, back to nothing. Oh. Oh no, he says. What is Batman doing? This is what Batman does when you have unpaid parking tickets. He sends your skull through a fucking table. This porn.
I love you. Like,
Pay attention to
he don't wanna see me
driving.
with nobody else but you. He don't want to see me with his mom. He want to see me with you. I love you, mother.
Dada.
Man, this ain't my fucking son. This is a grown ass man.
Oh, what?
Muffin, I can't do this without
Dude has a beard.
Yo, Muffin. What's up? Take me out to dinner.
Take me out to dinner. I don't think I've ever seen a bird take a shower. Oh, night. Oh, what? Nope. What a thumbnail. What a fucking hook for the next video. I think I'll subscribe.